Finally, the day has arrived to try this brush from Bounce Curl. I've been dying to try it for so long. I finally ordered it last week and I am manifesting really defined results today. I don't know if this brush is intended to be used to detangle your hair, but I thought I'd give it a go. Or maybe it's just for styling, but it's feeling very gentle. I mean, my hair wasn't very knotty though, but definitely feeling gentle on my hair. All of this hair that's just come out, but it didn't tug on my hair or anything. Oh, I don't know if detangling this would be the best idea. It's gonna get full of hair. So recently I feel like I've kind of been neglecting my hair in a way. My hair loves protein, but I haven't really paid much attention to that ingredient for quite a while. So I decided to focus on that today. We're pulling out all the stops. First, I'm taking the Pretty Curly Girl Protein Deep Conditioner. Recently, every time I wash my hair, I'm always smelling my products because I'm terrified that they are all out of date because I've had them for a while now. So I'm working that into my hair. It was at this point I realized that my white sleeves and white collar may not be the best idea with this mask. I worked it into my hair, drizzled a little bit of water, and in the end I did decide to use my denman brush to detangle while I'm washing my hair because I just prefer that style of brush for detangling. And then I also scrunched the deep conditioner in. Then I rinsed it out thoroughly, and then I'm taking the wave shampoo to cleanse my hair. I don't know what happened to these products. Sometime while we were moving, the cats sat on that box and God knows what they did, but my products in that box are filthy. The first time that I shampooed, barely any foam going on. So, oh my God. I don't know if you can see her drinking there outside. No wonder she gets sick. I once again forgot my scalp scrubber, unfortunately, so I'm just using my fingers today. Then I rinsed that out and went in with shampoo again because the first time, zero foam. This time it foamed up really nicely. I cleaned my ends, gave my scalp the best scrub that I could with my fingers. And this product also has protein in, which is why I chose it for today. Then I'm taking the wave conditioner, which again has protein in, rubbing that through my hair, drizzling some water, detangling, doing some scrunching, then rinsing it out. Honestly, nothing can beat the way my clumps look with soaking wet hair in the shower. They just look so chunky when I'm in the shower. I really need to start styling my hair in the shower again because I feel like they just look so clumpy. Then for styling today, I was looking back at old photos and one of my old YouTube videos where I did a full wash day with Curly Secret, I got really nice, defined, clumpy, shiny results. So I decided to copy that styling routine. So I'm taking the hair milk, rubbing that into my hair, and then I'm flipping upright, not using a towel or anything because I want to keep as much water in my hair as possible to start styling. See, this is this is what I mean. It gets so knotted just from changing my position. Detangle it a little first. Okay, it's not my favorite detangling brush. I don't really like brushes like this to detangle. That's why I grabbed the denman one. So I'm going to put it up at the root, place my finger there, twist my brush, and down we go. I don't think it looks super different to when I used the denman. I'm doing this with my hair as wet as possible, so that also helps with clumps as well. Ooh, satisfying. Okay, I think it turns out better if I don't brush my hair up so much. really twist the brush around. Okay, and then let me use this one just as a comparison. So you can see, like, I don't know, getting stringier results with this brush. They're a lot more separated at the roots. At the ends, they're clumped together. Then, when I take this one, oh no, does that look different? I guess it does kind of look a little bit more clumpier, but kind of similar actually. Okay, I've got a lot of hair fall out. Once I finished brush styling, I gave my hair a little bit of a scrunch. Then I'm taking one of the curly secret gels, I think the defining one, and scrunching that into my hair. Then I took the volumizing foam, scrunched that in, scrunched with the towel, and then put my hair up in a towel. I felt like maybe at this point I saw a slight difference between the two brushes, but I don't think it was huge. I don't know, maybe looking back while I'm editing, I'll think differently, but let me know what you think from what you just saw. So now I am taking my hair down. It's looking quite wavy already. And I'm gonna take the curl enhancing styling gel from Curly Girl. Oh, this one doesn't smell good. Well, pray for my hair. Oh, I don't like that. Scrunch it in. My nail did come off before. I've just glued it back on. Oh my god, I hate this smell. It smells like plasticine. Oh, I hope that it doesn't stay after I dry my hair. Oh, I can't stand it. But I really want the results, like, from my old videos, so maybe this is an older bottle. Maybe I have a more recent one that I can swap out. Oh, disgusting. Well, we are looking very, very defined right now. I've been looking back at all my old photos lately, and I feel like my hair doesn't turn out as good as it used to. And I don't know if it's my routine or if it's my haircut. I don't know. I do feel like recently my hair is turning out better than when I lived in my old apartment though. I went through a really rough time there when my hair was just not looking good. So this is how it's looking so far. Okay, I'm gonna go and diffuse this now. Fingers crossed we have nice results. By the way, I got lip gloss on my shirt, which is annoying, so ignore that. But anyway, this is how my hair is looking in a cast. I just finished diffusing. I would say it's looking really nice right now. I can see that the clumps are looking a little bit on the chunky side, which was what I was aiming for today. The definition looks nice, and I'm hoping that once I scrunch this out, the clumps are gonna appear even more clumpy, like when I used to do my hair in the good old days. While I give my cast just a little bit of time to settle, I'm gonna yap for a minute, if that's okay with you. So my first impression is that I do really like this brush. I don't know if the difference is huge compared to my denman. Maybe there's a slight difference in my clumps, but when I look back at my recent wash days when I've taken a photo of my wet hair, it does look very similar. This brush did cost me like 37 euros, which I feel like is a lot for a brush, and maybe the most expensive brush that I own, so you best believe that I'm going to be using this every wash day from now on. I need to get my money's worth. Another comment that I have is, like, it's already getting filled with my hairs. I think this is going to be annoying to clean all the time. I've only used it once so far. Like I said before, I don't really like this kind of brush for detangling, but for styling I did enjoy it. It was very easy to use, so definitely great for beginners, I would say, if I don't know, you're maybe struggling with your brush styling technique and you need a little bit of help, then you have this here. When this brush first came out, I did see people being innovative and using their normal brush, but somehow attaching a wide tooth comb to the back of it to get like a similar result. So that might be a good option. I didn't use this, but I assume that this is good to like create sections, but I just use my fingers for that. It's very comfortable to hold. It's not too heavy. It is a little bit heavy, but not much. I'm gonna scrunch this out with this nasty looking bottle. Again, also had this for years. It was my favorite oil. I used it every wash day. The bottle has gone very manky now. So I'm just taking a couple drops of that and scrunching this out. My clumps are looking really good, honestly. I feel like recently they have been looking more on the stringy side. Today they're definitely looking thicker. But is that the brush or is it my my choice of styling products? I don't know, but like I said before, this brush, I will be using it from now on just to carry on testing it, and I did enjoy using it, and it just looks so satisfying to see the hair being split up into the clumps. So yeah, you will be seeing that brush in my future videos. So I mean, if you want to see how my hair looks each time, then I guess make sure to check those out. I love my hair today. I feel like these are the results that I've been missing. Another thing that I forgot to mention, speaking of chunky clumps, I think I put off buying this brush for so long because, well, I got the Define one. They do have another one that is for volume. I wasn't sure which one to get, but Leanne on Instagram, her username is curlycast. She created a video comparing the two, and that video really helped me decide to get this one. I think on my hair, the volume one, it's not gonna add volume. I really do think that it's just gonna make my waves look stringy, which is what I don't want. I'm not aiming for that. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video and hopefully you found it useful. And I feel like I don't say this enough, but always, always, always feel free to make requests, either in the comments of my video, over on social media. You can always drop me a message. I don't mind. If there's anything that you're struggling with or any specific videos you would like to see, then do please let me know. Anyway, I hope that you have a lovely weekend and see you in the next video. Bye!